Good morning, fellow traders. Paul here. Something the Good Morning Market Prep for Friday, April the 30th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off at the market yesterday. So SPX again, we got those fresh all-time highs recently. Still over upper Bollinger Band here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart still pretty extended, right over the cloud. We're back to the upper Bollinger Band. We've got some potential bearish divergence in the works here, so a little bit tricky up here. We'll see how it goes. But daily chart again still is holding above the 8 EMA. So we had a big bounce yesterday. Off of that, and pretty interesting stuff. Let's take a look at the wave count right here. So it is possible we have a truncated fifth up here, and looks like the futures are down a little bit here this morning. So we'll see how those hold going into today. But in the meantime, generally most of the accounts are looking pretty bullish. But if it's truncated fifth, right, we might start to see a larger corrective wave happening, right? So let's take a look here. We actually just lost what was looking like a bull flag here this morning. We lost that lower channel right here. So let's see if this geometric line holds here going into today. Big V reversal here, right? So you can see here on the S&P futures that we're actually this drop right here below this triangle range right here is coming right to our signal zone. So let's see if that holds as potential support here this morning. So far, let's see, we've got the overnight low is just shifted here to this level, right? So this low right here. Sorry, guys. While we're at it, right? Zoom in there. Low of that candle is 41.75. Wow. Intense move down here this morning. So we'll see how it holds going into today. Anyway. Watch these levels right there. If we break down below yesterday's lows, right, we can start to see the single prints below there too. So let's see how that holds here support going into today. Not a lot of economic data today. We got some CPI numbers, Chicago PMI. Just PMI numbers, and basically just kind of follow through from yesterday's Amazon move, and we'll take a look at the Amazon chart here in a little bit. Let's see with the MES again, same stuff, right? So it's all about that triangle breakdown here this morning. So geometric loss right there. So again, very intense down move. So let's see how that holds going into the rest of the day. Could be an interesting one. So the Qs. See how the Qs are behaving here. Again, Qs, guys, we drew this here this morning in the bubble report, so geometric breakdown here already. So let's see how that holds going into today. Let's take a look at the IWM. Plunge protection team's already coming out. IWM was looking like a potential wolf wave right here. We're actually in the sweet spot. We're in the sweet zone right here for it if the IWM wants to try to bounce here. So I was pointing this out here this morning. So we got this and this. It's actually beyond it, right? So it'd have to get a really strong move for it to try to reverse here this morning. So we'll see how that goes. The XLF, let's take a look. So XLF again, guys. We drew a harmonic on this one yesterday. And it could be pulling back off of that harmonic range. You had one tick higher, and then we may see a pullback here in the XLF, which could start to weigh heavy on the market. Let's take a look at Apple today. I've got it on the bullish radar just because it's coming into a lot of big areas right here, so they may try to rally it up today if there's any strength on it. If not, let's take a look and see what else we have in store here today. Other than that, guys, let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla's losing its geometric line here, its signal zone here this morning. So a little bit weak here on Tesla. Again, guys, we've been pretty bearish on this name for the last couple weeks. Really the last couple months. So it looks like it's been working on a zigzag down, ABC up 1, 2. We could be in a larger wave 3 down right now. So keep that an eye on that for Tesla. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin is actually rallying a little bit here off of the geometric line. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.